time. Yeah. My Rolex plain. My bitch got everything. Creeping in the summer rain. Luggage racks on the range. She left her last main, seeking financial gain. She kept her last name, but took his wedding ring. That's a sign, is you high or blind? Well, know in due time. A twist of lemon lime in my water, that'll do me fine. Sliding, downtown riding, between the high rises, I'll probably buy one. The common areas got marble columns. She on the snow silent. She spending dough wildin', envious hoes watching. She flossin' more watches. She know they ain't got them. She let them tricks cop 'em, come through shit poppin'. Bought that sucker ass nigga, she ain't have to rob him. She ain't have to fuck him, but she still got him.
It's like a movie scene, back-to-back machines. Bitch Japanese, hoes coming threes. Drop the top on the spider, we got a lot to see. Product of the dope gang, smell the aroma from the keys. A out car in the Florida Keys, just for an overnight, she charged the nigga 20 G's. This Yellowstone costs an AMG, I play the key and push the GT to get from A to B. Life's a trip, the same hoes go choose when you got some chips. She fucking on the low, I let her go, cause I'm not a set. I'm smoked out behind this limo tent. $1,000 lighter when I take a hit.